Eric Mureithi Mugano we minister uria kethirwa na miaka minini bururuki imaria atare gutuika minister thirikari-ini ya Rais Ruto atarito kuyukia na gutongoria ministry ya Runchi. Muga uria ina miaka 32 aumite ntere cia Akachiu Igembe South na thomerete montu megie Runchi. Nyuma ya kurikia cukuru nene University ya Nairobi, Mureithi nethiritwe akiruta wira mwanya mwanya ikugendania na mathomo mawe kambuni mwanya mwanya. Marion Karugi na atubanganiritie rugono ruru wa mwanya ro kumenya Eric Mureithi Muga wega.
Anto babaingi ni bethirito bena biuria nkabo Eric Mureithi ura withiritwa itarwa ya minister wa Rui kiria minister Baberunu.
I'm a CS nominee in the Ministry of Water, Sanitation and Irrigation.
Eric Mureithi muthaka wa miaka 32 aumite ntere cia Thi Akachiu Ward gicione kia ubunge kia Igembe South na thomete akaiwatira degree ya civil engineering Mantune ya Rui.
So I graduated with a first class in 2016 amongst my friends. Then I got out here to, of course, try and change. We leave home to change home, right? Engineering is not a lone ranger profession.
Athomere skuru ya primary ya St. John's Boarding School Maua.
I started to understand the value of education as I grew up. So on getting to class 5 at the primary school, I was bright. So my parent thought to give me a chance elsewhere.
Na nyumene areta secondary skuru ya Nthaka ya Lenana na kuata grade A na degree yawe arameonera University ya Nairobi.
Given the responsibility, my age is just, as they say, but a number. I am ambitious.
Mureithi ari muthaka mwanake nethiritwa akirita ngui ari murungamiri wa mirandi kathumba inegweta. Ngui nezi nethiritwa akiona umenyo bwa utaalamu bwa Rui kwa kaita ka miaka 8 iria thiritwa ari ngui-ini ya Rui.
I left SMEC. I joined my current employer. It's called Mangat IB Patel Consulting Engineers, where I've worked for the last 7 years.
Kilifi Mariakani Water Company Limited ni jumwejo murandi wa Rui jura Mureithi ethiritwa akiritira ngui utegeri bwa sewage ya Kahawa West, Kahawa Sukari, Githurai 44 na Githurai 45 na kinya uwatanithia bwa Rui nteresi ya Narok na Chogoria uamwe na kubangania murandi jo kundania Rui kaunti ya Murang'a.
My farm deals in water, mostly water related stuff. So I thought I would like to know more. I was curious, this water stuff. So I applied at the university again in 2017 for a self-sponsored master's program, Masters in Civil Engineering, Water Resources Engineering option.
Wendo rwa wero kuthoma rutithiritwe ruri ruruthu nontu aciari bawe bamuthomethetio kulukira ibarua bia waturanku na bio kitha majani.
Ira athoma gendona ngui ende ntaici niri gwagona lakini Murungu no ngucokeria ngatho nontu bagwetha na tetherie na kinyi ngucokeria Rais ngatho nontu bwa mwangu
turitana ithio Ereki ibiasara cia kwatura mbao alafu kurima mayani na rira na baba skuru kwara challenges tegia lakini kuma umwanka utokinyete ai Murungu.
Ntuku ya Narua nirio Eric Mureithi akuthujwa nikenda ambiriria ngui kethira agakurugwa ni mbunge nene.
And I'm up to the task.
Nkiripotera Weru Njuma, Bito Marion Karugi wa Kenywa.